Ruchi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a tag which I have created using mixed media technique. It's my first mixed media tutorial as I have just started my hands in that art form. I have used all Prima products for my tag. All the supplies are listed below in the description box. This beautiful paper is from Prima Coffee Break and I applied clear gesso on it. I am giving some texture to my tag using Mudra stencil with texture paste. When dried completely, I'm just distressing all of my layers. Used some acrylic paint to color my elements. Just added little amount of white gesso to give it more volume. For creating my background, I just stamped this script from Prima with some black archival ink. Now I'm arranging all of my layers and I struggle a lot in that. Not an easy task. I was keep removing and rearranging them all the time as not satisfied with the look. I just added a piece of cardboard to give dimension to my layers. all the papers I have used tacky glue, but for chipboards and flowers I have used soft matte gel. I've added some art stone to complete the look of my tag. This is one awesome